Welcome to this Figma tutorial on designing loading dots. Today, we'll be creating a dot component and duplicate it into different steps for animation. And here is our final animation. So let's begin. Before we jump into this tutorial, let me tell you about Master UI Plus. It's the ultimate Figma design system with over 200 interactive components. You can create amazing user interfaces in no time. Just drag and drop to get fully interactive components in your prototypes. And the best part, you can get 40% off if you click the link in the description. Alright, let's get back to our tutorial. Alright, begin by creating a new design file and rename it to loading dots. And let's go to the shape tool and pick ellipse and hit the shift key and click and drag to draw an ellipse. And let's give it a width of 10 pixels and a height of 10 pixels. Then let's change its color to a darker gray. Zoom in, select Command V or Command C, Command V to duplicate the shape. And let's keep a distance between each other 10 pixels. So select these two, and here let's increase it to 10 pixels. Then duplicate it again, Command C, Command V, and 10 pixels of distance. Now select those three and hit Command G to group. Alright, now let's go to the component and transform it to a component and then add new variants. Next, let's select the component frame and in the property section, settings, and rename the property to steps. Alright, the first one will be step 1 and the second will be, select the second one and here, step 2. Then let me rearrange the variants in a horizontal direction. Alright, let's keep some space to my other steps. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to move this last dot 5 pixel or 10 pixel to the top. Alright, it's 10 pixel. Then let's duplicate this variant again and let's move the second dot 10 pixel to the top, and then let's rename it to step 3 in the current variant. Alright, create another variant and move the last one 10 pixels to the top, and this is step 4. Next, select the variant and create another one. Now you can move down the last one 10 pixels to the bottom. Let's add some space here. And let's duplicate one last time our variant. And let's move the second one back 10 pixels to the bottom. Alright, that's all what we need right now. Now let's move to prototype and let's connect those shapes together. Let's connect the first with the second step. And on action, after delay, smart animate, and let's change this 800 to 1 millisecond. Alright, select the second step and connect it with the third step. Again, after delay and 1 millisecond, and make sure it is smart animate. And let's repeat with the third and the fourth step. After delay and 1 millisecond after delay, and the fifth with the sixth after delay, 1 millisecond, and last but not least, the last variant connected with the first variant to create an infinite loop and hit infinite or after delay 1 millisecond. Now let's zoom back and create a new frame and go to assets, click and drag our icon or our component, click and drag our component to the Design tab and center the component. Select the frame and hit the play button. And here, as you can see, we have an infinite loop animation of our dots loop. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial. You can find the download link to the exercise file of this tutorial in the description down below. And if you are looking for more interactive components, then you should check out Master UI Plus. Everything you need will be at your fingertips when it comes to interactive components, and this will make your design process faster and more efficient. And one last thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.